Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do competitive research with Claude AI. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, before opening Claude and start typing in, at least spend 2 minutes gathering the raw materials you want to analyze. So do not just ask Claude, tell me about something. Because this is static, training data might miss recent changes. So instead, capture live data. So uh, search on the website about what you are interested in. So yeah, you need to website uh, research, and then after that, what you will do is simply you can just copy everything and paste it somewhere in a text editor like Word file or Notepad. Then, yeah, depends what you are interested in. You can search also for prices or something. Then you have some customers reviews. So yeah, make sure that you uh, check every platform for reviews like Trustpilot, or you also have Reddit for that. It's pretty useful. And yeah, after that, you can put in Cloud something like that. So act as a senior market intelligence specialist. I'm going to provide you with raw text data from one of my top industry competitors. Your goal is to analyze these data objectively to find their strategic gaps and so on. Now, the second thing is you will put in also something like that. So here is the raw homepage copy from my competitor. So here you will paste text or upload document here, and then analyze this text and reverse engineer their core value proposition, who is their exact target audience, and so on. This can be in this same chat, or you can do it in next chat when you generate this first one. Then you can go further and you have pricing and feature metrics. So you can go with that. Also, you will paste the text right over here. So this is more for pricing and feature metrics. And yeah, what else is good to know is the competitor weakness and some sentiment mine. It's always good to know that also. So you will type in here the text, paste the text basically which you need. And yeah, for the end, you will put in also something like that uh, for you right here. So based on all the data analyzed so far, build a conquest competitive battle card for my team. And then you have here 3 areas where they are beating us, 3 clear gaps where our product service is superior, and a 2-sentence elevator pitch our sales team can use when a prospect says, "Why shouldn't I just buy from competitor?" And this is basically how you can do competitive research with Claude AI. What you can do basically is also all of this text you can put into the project that you will have more organized thing. So if you go here to the projects and create new one, you will put in here strategy for marketing, let's say, or just strategy. And then you have it here, instructions and files. You can put it in what you get on the web. And right here, you can go separately one by one. So what I mean with that is that you can paste this one and generate, and then we have, and we go back here and we can start with this gap here to manage the row and like that, so that you will have in every chat separate thing, like how to set up, then how to run the 3-core analyze prompts, and then we have generate your actionable strategy, and you will have separate everything here. It will be also more organized. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.